Greetings to you, myself B. Pujita. I am from grade 8. I am Brilliant Campus. Now I am reading Reaching the Age of Adolescence. Adolescence and Puberty. Bozo was celebrating his 12th birthday. After his friends left, Bozo and Paheli began chatting with their parents. Paheli studies in an all-girls school. She started launching, she remarked that many of Buja's school friends, whom she met after a year, had suddenly shoot up in height. Some of them were looking very funny, with a hairy line above their lips. Her mother explained that the boys and grown out. Growth begins from the day one is born. But upon crossing the age of 10 or 11, there is a sudden spurt in growth, which becomes noticeable. The changes taking place in the body are part of the growing up. They indicate that. Thank you.